Hey DBRIGHT Squad! Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from title above, I am back doing deb DIYs, and in this video I show you how to create an off-the-shoulder top from a dress shirt. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need measuring tape, fabric glue. This is the one I used. It's very good. You're also going to need a pen. This is a washable pen. It's really awesome. Just with a little bit of water, it can go away. Scissors, of course. And clips. Okay, these are really important. You'll see why. You'll see that I'll be using this in the video. And safety pins. You will also need a button-up shirt. It doesn't have to be oversized. It could be one that fits. Okay, so you're going to try on your dress shirt, button it all the way up, and here we're just going to measure where we want our off-the-shoulder top to start. A good rule of thumb is to wear your bra under and measure from there. Wherever your bra strap is, where it lands, that helps at least, but you can feel it and see where you want your off-shoulder top to land. And then when you find where you want it to land, you use a safety pin to just mark approximately, it's not going to be perfect, approximately where it would land. Okay, so next you're going to take your pen and your measuring tape. You're going to draw a straight line across the two safety pins that you put. Obviously, you're going to try your best to make it straight, and you're just going to create a line. And this line will be your folding line. This is not your cutting line. This will be your folding line, where it's going to be folded. In this picture, I show you two lines. Bottom line is your folding line and top line is your cutting line. Very important to have the two. And between the two, there should be 1 inch. So as you can see here, I am cutting the cutting line, not the folding line. There's a difference, and you guys will see how that comes out just like that. Okay, so that's the cutting line, and there's still a line below, which is the folding line. Okay, here I already start folding the material on the folding line. That's the importance. That's why we have a folding line, just so that you know where you're folding. So we are folding inwards, okay, and then you're clipping it down. The reason why we're folding it inwards is that it's so that when we put the fabric glue, it's not showing on the outside, it's hidden on the inside. Okay, so you're doing this all around your top, and this really helps with holding it down, so that when you put the glue, it's easy to apply that without wondering if you're doing it correctly or not. So that's a very important step. Obviously, after that, you're going to turn your reverse your shirt, so inside out basically, so that you can start the gluing process. Okay, so here we are. I have my fabric glue, and I'm just going in directly and applying the glue only to the bottom. I zoomed in here so you guys can see. Obviously, you don't want to block the whole area, just because we are going to be adding a drawstring. So you are putting some of the fabric glue just at the base, so that there's enough space at the top there. Okay, so you're just doing that all around. Okay, here I am just finishing up adding the glue, and then I'm just gonna set this aside for it to dry. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna get the collar. You guys remember the collar? We're going to use that to create our drawstrings. So you can go ahead and measure it however you'd like. I did 1/2 inch, and then I cut it out into 3 pieces. And then what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to glue it together and then fold it in half, and this is how it comes out. I didn't show the steps just because you guys could do it whichever way you'd like. And then what I did is I removed the clips off the shirt, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my drawstring and I'm going to put a safety pin on it, and I'm going to use a safety pin to maneuver my way around the shirt so that the drawstring goes all the way from the front to all the way through the top and back to the other side. And this is the final results. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it. And this is what I love about DIYs. It comes out so cute. You guys can do it super easy. No sewing involved, but look how cute this top is. And you guys definitely remember how it looked before. I'll remind you, here it is, here's the before, and you know, it went from this to this, and I think that's absolutely amazing. So you guys could try this at home. Let it dry for 24 hours, of course, with the fabric glue, and it'll look perfect. But yeah, so thank you so much, DBRIGHT Squad, for watching, and I will see you guys in my next Deb DIY. Bye.